My name's Tim Fetter. I am the project lead for Culinary Innovation and Standards for Parkhurst Dining, and really thrilled to be here this week with the chefs in our Culinary Leadership Program. We have a number of up-and-coming chefs, sous chefs, executive sous chefs, who have been identified as high potential, who are going to excel in the company and grow into bigger roles. And this gives them an opportunity to network, to collaborate, to work together. We're going to have a kitchen throwdown a little bit later on today. Right now, the chefs are in the Belvedere Market, a local food market, food hall here in Baltimore, and getting to try some really cool things, both international flair and also the local flair, a lot of crab and seafood and things like that. What we're trying to focus on over these couple days is really about the diversity and inclusion when it comes to dining. How we can take care of everybody with food to make sure that they have the options they need, whether it's a religious exemption or a cultural influence or anything like that. The chefs can then take that information that they learn here and take it back to their units and help create more diverse offerings for their students or their guests, to be able to work with their clients and really to be able to bring more guests into our operations by hitting all those marks, making sure that anybody who comes in is able to be fed and we can give them a great, delicious, nutritious meal, regardless of whatever their exemptions or allergies or any of that might be like. Shortly, we're going to head back to Loyola and we're going to have a culinary throwdown where the 6 chefs we have in the program this year are going to be paired up in teams of 2. And they're going to go head to head in a cook-off where they have mystery ingredients, which they don't know about, but we know. We're here in Baltimore, so what else are we going to feature but crab? So crab's definitely one of the secret ingredients, black garlic, and a few other goodies that they'll be surprised by. And they're going to have an hour to cook, and whatever they can come up with, however many dishes in that time frame, and it's going to be a great opportunity for them, even though they've spent the past 2 months working together, both virtually and in person, not really in the kitchen. So this will give them a chance to show their chops, really show off what they can do, and hopefully pick up some tips and tricks from the other chefs that they're working with.
2 dishes? 4 of each. 4 portions. 4 portions of 2 dishes. You can do more, but I go here.
What do we got? I mean, crab cake is the first thing that comes to mind, but that's been done.
Chicken. I think that might be easiest, but they've already gave me sounds on it. It sounds like
Do we ever put oil on for the pasta? Is that what that is?
Yep, salt, oil, everything.
Good call, good call.
Do you want some green?
Yeah, why not?
Boy, that smells potent.
What's that?
It's the black garlic.
Oh yeah.
It's just more for today only.
Five, 4, 3, 2, time's up.
It is dangerous to try to make a crab cake here in Maryland. However, you guys did a really pretty good job, so good job today.
I will say the Ramalai, the black
Chipotle, the blank garlic Chipotle, it was the best. I was trying to pick some up, but good job, everybody.
Well, without further ado, so the teams were pretty close. It was a good challenge. Use of ingredients, the presentation, and the taste. But we had a winner, and that would be Team 3 with the pasta and steak. You guys, wow.